You feel the vibe, it's contagious.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Beverly Beauty, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, please be sure to subscribe down below, comment, share, get my videos out to you guys. I love you guys so much, and if you're interested in seeing this look, please be sure to just stay tuned because I will go into detail on how I got this look. I used a lot of new stuff. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam, and this is it. How pretty is this? Norvina, the creative director at Anastasia Beverly Hills, wanted this palette to be a soft glam, an everyday type of palette. Everyday. It's for the person who's beginning to wear makeup, who doesn't like big colorful looks. They just want, you know, a soft glam. So this palette is dedicated to these guys, who is definitely me, because I love a good soft glam, natural glam, but I also wanted to step out of my comfort zone today, so I chose to put a yellow eyeshadow on my lid. But all of my transition colors are from this palette. And for my highlight today, I used the new Anastasia Amrezy highlight, and it is limited edition. It is a pretty soft gold color. I am wearing it today, and of course you can see it on my nose. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows first, so I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and my MAC NC35 Studio Finish Concealer, and I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and shaping them up a little bit, and I'm also going to be priming my eyelids with this same concealer. And I'm going to be taking my pencil, which is in the shade medium brown, and just follow my natural brow line. So now I'm going to take my MAC NC35 Studio Concealer, and I'm going to take a little slanted brush, and I'm going to carve out my brows and prime my eyelids. So now that my brows and my eyes are primed, I'm going to set my concealer, some Laura Mercier setting powder. This look, I really want to do a yellow type of color. I really want to do a yellow brown look. So I'm going to see what I come up with. I'm hoping it turns out cute. The first palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 35B palette. And this is it. So I'm going to really be using this yellow color down here. I hope that it turns out cute because, I don't know, I never really play with color, and I think it's going to be bomb.com. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I have dug into this a few times, but this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I love it so much. I'm going to be taking the shade Orange Soda, which is right here, and I'm just going to carve out a transition area. The next color, which you can't even see this color, the next color I'm going to go in with is Burnt Orange, which is right on top of that. And I'm going to bring it a little bit lower, so right underneath the main color that I put down. For my lid color, I'm going to take this yellow color from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to take a flat definer brush and pack that right on my lid. We're going to see how it turns out. I'm so excited. I have never done a yellow eyeshadow before. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Primer and my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to just put that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 310, and I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques blending brush and going to work. So I like to work in one half of my face first and then move on to the other half of my face because this foundation dries really fast. And you also want to make sure it's really well mixed up because it is a thinner consistency, so it will kind of separate. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in the color Medium. And immediately after that, I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I like to take the sponge and dip the damp sponge into it and put that right underneath my eyes. And then for the remainder of my face, I'm just going to take a big brush. To contour, I'm taking my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, and I'm taking obviously this color right here in the middle, which is called Shadow Play, and I'm just going to be carving out my cheekbones and bronzing up my face. I like to turn my brush this way and just bronze upward. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the clear mascara gel. Then I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm going to take my Sephora Mascara in the kind Outrageous Curl. And I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. For highlighter, I'm going to take the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm taking my Luxie tapered highlight brush. I'm going to also highlight my tear duct and my brow bone. For lips, I'm going to be taking NYX lip liner in beige, Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Crush, and MAC's lip gloss in Lust. Okay, now I'm just going to pop some of this lip gloss on. Okay, everybody, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this glossy lip. Like, who am I? Like, I never wear a glossy lip. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to comment down below and see any other tutorials that you want me to do for you guys. I love you guys so much. Please be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.